Hi, so I'm here, we're looking at Malabar spinach. Tricia was in the garden and noticed that some of the roots on this Malabar that we were moving had nematodes, and so she was just telling me a little bit about it. I just did a little research and looked up that they're microscopic eel-like roundworm. I'm going to put them under the microscope, but what we're learning is that they just kind of cut off the water and nutrient supply, and they live in these little things called galls. And there's a few different kinds of nematodes. I'm not sure which one this is. This is a healthy Malabar, and this is the one with the nematode galls. And best thing that they keep saying is to solarize the garden. We don't want to do that right now. We're going to plant marigolds. That was another suggestion, but they say the marigolds should go an entire season. So if you know anything else about nematodes, please give us a holler. We'd love to know what you do to take care of nematodes so that you don't have your plants dying for lack of nutrients and water.